How to change the color of an image inside Adobe Express. Now click Upload to upload your image. If you are going to use Adobe Images, click Media, and then search for the image you want to use. I am just creating an example design. I am not going to publish it on my stores. When you search, you have two types of images, the free ones and the pro ones. If you have a pro account, you can use the pro images. The first thing you can do to an image is decide how much space it is going to take up in the full design. You can stretch it to fill the whole page, or you can crop it. To crop, you just need to take it from the sides and move the edges. You can then change the colors of the image by clicking on the adjusting settings for the image. To get there, just click Adjust. There you have some tools to change the saturation and brightness of the image. The next tab for image editing is for Effects. There you can find different ways to modify the image. For example, if you want to change its colors to something different or make it black and white. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.